makeup and getting it in the mail wasn't therapeutic enough. And you get bubble wrap. Hey everyone, welcome back. It's time for some tea and Topbox. For those that aren't familiar with Topbox, it is a monthly beauty subscription box. It is available to us here in Canada. Occasionally they do make some of their specialty boxes available to the US, but the monthly subscription is available only to us here in Canada. It is $12 plus tax depending on which province or territory you are located in, and it is free shipping within Canada as well. They recently changed their packaging and the way they send their boxes out. It is coming out in this long box now. This is the first month it's coming, so I have no idea if it will always be this long and this size or not. They used to come in cylinder tubes, or you could get a bubble op with an organza bag as the eco-friendly option, but they decided to do away with those and go with this box, which is completely recyclable. So yeah, good on them for, you know, making environmentally friendly decisions for us. You know, do we really need to have to choose between the two? Just send it out. We care what's inside anyway, right? What else am I forgetting? It is monthly. It's $12 plus tax. It's free shipping. There's another thing that I was going to say, and it's completely just, it keeps coming in and out of my mind. It comes in when I'm talking, and then when I stop so that I can go and say it and like form that thought, it just vanishes. This month I also opted to get the beauty surprise. I think I might know what it is because I think I saw someone posting about it on Facebook because they got their box before I did. So that's okay. I'm assuming I probably got the same thing, but I will wait till the end to show you that. It is an additional $10 for the beauty surprise, and they say that I believe it's anywhere between $15 to $50 in value that you're getting. So you're at least getting your money's worth out of that particular item. So I have already, I haven't looked inside at all. I just kind of took some scissors and cut open this here. So let's see what we got in this month's box. Oh, I know what I was going to say. You usually get 4 to 5 sample size items in this box. It's something similar to Ipsy or I think Birchbox and those sort of things where they're sample sizes, they aren't full size. The occasional time you'll get a full size item, but for the most part they are sample sizes that are in this. The first item I'm pulling out, I'm not sure if I'm going to be happy about it because I haven't been impressed with anything from this brand that we've gotten yet in the last few months. It is by Revlon Professional, and it is the big one, Lotus Flower Hair Treatment. And what does this do? Leave-in Spray Mask, Lotus Flower Scent Hair Treatment. The last time I used a scented product from Revlon, it made my allergies go wild. It was super strong and it just made me cough and my nose started watering, or my nose started running and everything. I know most people wouldn't have that reaction, but it was really strong and like a really strong floral smell too. So where's that card? I'm going to take this and I'm going to spray it on here, and so I can at least get a smell of it without sticking it on my body, because that stuff lingered last time. It was a leave-in conditioner, so from the same brand. Let's see, can we get it? It's not coming out. Is the pumper wrong? It's hurting my finger. Come on, you can do it. Oh, no, okay. We're just gonna open it and smell it. Oh, okay, it is like a cream. Here. It looks like a conditioner almost, which makes sense if it's a mask. And this, it's strong. It's slightly florally. I don't think it's as bad as the other one though. Lotus flowered, which makes sense, but okay. We'll see if I do okay with that. I don't know if if my allergies are gonna go wild with that or not, but it doesn't say what its benefits are. Leave-in spray mask. Yes, I got that. Leave-in spray mask. Does it say, okay, it says leave-in, but what's it supposed to do? Okay, well that's interesting. I will try it depending on, we'll see by the end of this video if my nose starts running and I start sneezing and coughing to see if this is going to be something I can use or not. If you are having trouble getting it out of the bottle, if you did happen to receive this, I would just in case you didn't think of it, just take this off. Because that's what I had to do. Don't mind the sound. It's cold here. So we have the furnace running and it just kicked in. So that's what that is. Next up we have Clarins Super Restorative Total Eye Concentrate. Lifts, replenishes, I can't speak. Lifts, replenishes, and illuminates. This is like perfect timing for me because I am almost out of my nighttime eye cream and I don't really like the one that I'm using right now. So I was going to go and pick up a different one, but this was actually on my list of ones that, you know, I was looking at trying, but this was a little bit pricier than the one that I had chosen. But I'm not mad at having this, so then I can actually try it and see if I like it, and it'll hold me over for the next few days at least until I can get the other one, and then I can stop using the one that I have, which I don't like. Apparently boxes don't like me in packaging. Ooh, this is tiny. But I mean, let's see. It looks like it's pretty full. It's a little cute little tube there. Let's see what this is like. Put it on the other side that doesn't have the cream. That feels nice. The one that I have now is a gel and I just don't like the consistency of it. I find it kind of drying, but this is nice. I am going to enjoy using this, and I mean, you don't need a lot for eye cream, so this is a really actual, like, good, generous setting that you're getting. I am not upset by this at all. Where'd it go? Ah, crumb. Oh, there it is. Found it. Oh boy. Oh, and this is nice because it actually comes like with directions on how to use it. I mean, it's a big pamphlet, but it has French and English in it, so. Exceptional immediate results. I like that. And your lashes are enhanced thanks to panthenol. Use morning or evening over the entire eye area. Apply with light pressing motions on the eye contour and eyelids, and lightly smooth between eyebrows and on the temples. Makeup is easier to apply with a more luminous result. Well, hopefully this wasn't one that was like $100 and something full size, because I might end up really liking this. The next item we have makes total sense because we did have a coupon for Maskeraide, and it is a Maskeraide mask. And this is the Sweet Retreat Mini Sheet Mask, and it does have all these cute little, I think there's 12, yeah, 12 mini masks in there that you just kind of place all over your face wherever you have concerns. Does it say what this is geared for? Cleanse skin and dry thoroughly. Apply individual mini masks to desired area of the face and body and leave on for 10 to 20 minutes. Remove mini mask and massage any excess serum into the skin. Okay, it doesn't say any, oh, smooth and moisturize. Haha, it says on the back. So these are cute. I am happy to get this. This is one of my favorite brands for sheet masks. I really enjoy what they come out with. I think there was only one that I didn't really enjoy, and it was a peel-off mask, but the sheet mask I do like. The last item in the box is by Nars, and it is the Climax Mascara Dramatic Volumizing Mascara. I am not going to open it because I have about 3 or 4 mascaras right now that I have kind of in queue to use. I don't like opening them until I'm ready to use them, but I do enjoy getting sample sizes of mascaras, especially the high-end ones, just because I'm always curious to try them. Yeah, that was my regular box. I got 1, 2, 3, 4 items. I got 4 items in here, and this is a full-size item, and I do believe their masks are around $7. This one might be a little bit more because it does have the 12 mini masks in it. And then this eye cream, for sure, I'm excited to have. I will definitely be using this and like looking for those dramatic results. Maybe I'll do a review on this one and let you know how well the sample worked for me. I mean, it does claim to have immediate results, so I mean, little samples should give me enough information if they're telling the truth or not. So I'm excited to try this mascara, and my nose is a little bit runny. I'm not sure about this. I do kind of need a hair mask right now, and leave-in is perfect for me because I don't like the ones that you have to like put in and wait 10 minutes and then wash out. It's too much of a commitment for me. So I might try this and hope for the best. Maybe take some Benadryl. if I need to. This box is a win. This is the only thing that I wouldn't really want to use, but because of my hair concerns at this point in time, this is something I am going to try and use. So yes, I am excited and happy about this box. I more than got my money out of it, for sure. No complaints this month. Good job, Topbox. Now, the beauty surprise is in this bubble wrap. Okay, yes, so this is what I saw online as a sneak peek. It is the beauty surprise, as it says right there. And if you can't tell by the lid, this is a Glamglow Waterburst Hydrated Glow Moisturizer. So it's not one of their masks, it's an actual moisturizer, which I am super happy to have because, again, I'm almost out of the moisturizer I have. I haven't been enjoying it that much. So I'm excited to try this. I know Glamglow is not a cheap brand. If I can't get the top. I know Glamglow. Come on, Glamglow. I'm breaking out. Okay, am I doing this wrong? How do you get this? Oh. It won't open for me. No good if I can't get the thing. I got it open. Yes, it is the comedy quarter hour with Leia. Okay, so I got it open. It's this kind of blue consistency. Oh, it smells good. Oh, that smells good. I am going to enjoy putting this on my face all the time, let me tell you. This is a good $10 beauty surprise. Oh my goodness. I have it all over my hands right now, but I'm happy to have it. I'm a little frustrated with myself for put it on my neck. Doesn't matter if my neck gets a little splotchy. There we go. Oh, that smells good. I think I got it in my hair. Well, I have this mess to clean up now because apparently oh my goodness. It was a sticker. I thought it was like a hard plastic thing, so I was trying to pop it off, and it doesn't come off that way. Anyway, I don't know if I actually got it out of my mouth or not before, you know, all that happened. This is what it looks like inside. It's a like really cool blue color. I'm not sure if I actually got these words or the finished sentence out of my mouth when I was trying to open this, but I will leave the retail price for this somewhere on the screen here so that you guys can know how much this is worth. I know their masks are worth quite a bit of money, like around the $70 to $80 mark, but I'm pretty sure this is significantly less, but significantly more than the $10 I paid. So, thank you, Topbox, because you may be costing. It's a glass bottle. This is why I should have his table set up in front of me and not do this on my lap. Please don't be broken. Well done, Glamglow. You have good packaging. This fell on a concrete floor with no area rug or anything, and it's perfectly fine. I'm going to put it down before I break it. So, as I was saying, thank you, Topbox, because now you've sent me at least 2 items that I'm pretty sure I'm going to really like and want to repurchase. And they're expensive. So, well done on your part. Well done to your counterparts who allowed you to put these in the box, because that was good on them, because now Leia's going to be out, what? Let's say this is like $50 and the other thing's $60 at minimum. I'm out $110. Just like that. And that is my November Topbox. I am very pleased with this month, from the actual box I received to the, I don't want to pick it up and drop it, but to the beauty surprise. I think they did a really, really good job. I will leave a link in the description box below in case you are curious about Topbox or are interested in signing up. And it will give you more information. It will direct you to how to sign up and all that sort of stuff. If you get Topbox, I would love to know what you got in this month's box, if you were impressed with it, if you got different things, if you weren't impressed. Did you get the beauty surprise? Were you surprised? Because I'm surprised and I like it. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. Subscribe if you haven't already. Thank you so much for watching, everyone. I hope you have a great day. Bye-bye.